Number 17 is read, a rectangular television screen has a diagonal measurement of 32 inches. All right, so if it didn't have it, I need to go ahead and draw it and put that 32 on it. There it is. It's already there. There's my diagonal, 32. Based on this information in the diagram, what are the approximate length and width of the television? So length is X, width is Y. Now, we notice there's a 90. We need that. We got us acute angle. Now I can't do a Pythagorean theorem. I don't have enough information for that. I can do trig though, because I have an acute angle inside my right triangle. So I can do trig. So that means I got to start labeling my sides. From the acute angle, this is opposite. Okay, get that label in. We're going to do trig. This is my adjacent. This is my hypotenuse. Okay, opposite the 90, hypotenuse. All right, what trig function do I want to use? Well, it depends on what I'm finding. If I'm going to find y, I want to work with opposite, and I have to use hypotenuse because that's the only number that I'm given. So if I want to find y first, I gotta use opposite. All right, now your trig functions on the back side of the formula chart has all your trigs. Okay, we're going to be using opposite and hypotenuse. That is sine. That's SOHCAHTOA. The very beginning, okay, I showed you SOHCAHTOA. SOHCAHTOA is S-O-H. Sine is equal to opposite over hypotenuse. Okay, SOHCAHTOA, if you want to write this down, S-O-H. All right, comma, A-C-A-H. That's cosine is equal to adjacent over hypotenuse, and then its tangent is TOA. SOHCAHTOA is equal to opposite over adjacent. Okay, we're not doing opposite and adjacent. We're not doing adjacent and hypotenuse. We could. That'd be cosine if I wanted to find x, which is what we're going to have to do next. All right, so you can do sine. Sine is opposite hypotenuse. All right, let's write that down. Sine, get your acute angle, get that degree symbol in there, and get your fraction. Opposite goes on top, which is y over 32. Okay, comma y. And next, go ahead and do your cosine. You already know it. Cosine 30 degrees equals adjacent over hypotenuse. X over 32 comma x. There it is, guys. This should be fast. By now we should have this down.